another shot drop or scratch drop. Either way, we got him, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And the Nike SB Jordan 4s finally in the collection, man. It's not that like I did not want to review this sneaker. I just didn't understand the hype around the pine green ones. They never had a release date. You only could get them in skate shops. I didn't do my research to find out why is it even a skate shoe. I did all that, guys. And this is a dope shoe, man. So if you don't know, Tinker Hatfield is the guy who designed almost every Jordan. I don't know one he didn't design. And then you got, of course, Bodecker, who made the eBay dunks. Crazy shoe, guys. But he's known for almost all the SBs. It's even some kind of like situation where they saying the SB and Nike SB ain't really skateboard. It's Sandy Bodecker. But him and Tinker Hatfield, who designed these sick braid Kobe's also, is responsible for the Jordan 4 Nike SB. Two great designers collabed together, gave us this shoe, and they even got some skateboard situations in it, man. Enough talking. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. I hate an all white shoe, guys, but this is a nice sneaker, man. So again, just like the pine green joints, we didn't get a release date, even though after I was looking this up, I saw 4/24, 10 p.m. on the sneakers app. So just bookmark that. I'm not 100% sure, but I seen that on the internet, so maybe, I don't know, but we did get a scratch situation when you had to scratch it. I didn't even wait for the picture to show me the video. Once I scratched it, I exited out the video when I copped them because I never had a real chance on copping these besides a raffle, so that was real dope. Nike's always dope. I know we give Nike gripe because we don't hit every week. Nike's a dope company, man. And without further ado, let's unbox these right now. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you're getting that gray cell. I think this is called the cell box that you get in almost every SB this year. Besides, some of them was purple, but for the most part, this is the box you're getting. But you got the Jordan Jumpman on the front. On the back, you got all the bells and whistles, Nike, swoosh, all that stuff on the back. Nice glossy box though. And this is dope too. At the top, you got the Jordan man with the Nike SB logo. That's super dope, man. Both sides of the top. And it reads Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Summit White, White Navy. When you get the lid open, you got gray in the inside. That classic Jordan 4 or even Jordan 3 splatter elephant print. And each sneaker is individually wrapped in its own paper. And here is the left side of the Jordan 4 SB Navy. Summit White, man. Summit White pops. It's like always a brighter white. I like Summit White. I don't like white, but I like Summit White, man. So let's go to the toe box. Oh, plush material, guys. This is soft. $225 price tag. I was wondering, was the quality going to match? It matches. Very soft toe box. Around it, you got like that light wolf gray. Hard material, just like the Brick by Bricks. But soft. Soft to the eyes, hard to the touch, man. You got that gum creeping in at the bottom with all the stars there. All the stars is present. I like the gum look on this white, man. Let's come to the inside of the shoe. You get your classic Jordan 4 silhouette with the mesh netting around it. That's also in white. Get the blue hits on the shoelace lids. Come to the back. That Nike SB logo on the back is super dope. It's almost as good as Nike Air on the booty. But I like that Nike SB on the back, man. Get your Jordan 4 pull tab, rubbery. But this also works for skateboarding. So I kind of get it now, guys. Let's go to the top of the shoe. You get your Jordan Flight on the tongue. The tongue on the Jordan 4 always been thick. So it is kind of mirroring a Nike SB joint. So you can see the thickness on that tongue. But this is really just a classic Air Jordan 4 tongue with the upside down Air Jordan logo in there. And speaking on the inside, I like that red on the inside, man. It kind of made me wish they put more red on the outside and just made this like an Olympic theme, a US theme. But that red on the inside really hits, man. As far as the bottom, you got the red Nike logo at the bottom. The gum is on the back and on the front. They couldn't really do the gum all the way because of the Jordan 4 silhouette. But you see the gum hits on the back and the bottom. The air bubble in the inside is actually red too. So it is some red on the outside, guys. That was the left. Let's unwrap the right. Make sure everything adds up. And it does, man. The quality is dope on this shoe, man. Just looking, this Summit White is really popping. Especially right here. Like the white on white, you can see it, man. So it was said that the top is more softer than a regular Jordan 4, of course, because it's for the skateboarders. And you can kind of feel that, man. I don't like that the sock line is white and it's in that furry material, man. That gets dirty quick, but they did a lot of things for the skateboarders, as said while I was doing the research, man. It's just a lot of white, but this white is actually dope, guys. Yes, sir, man. So, I mean, I like the shoe. I'm not hype about it like most people were. I might go get the Pine Green just to kind of compare them. But if you're going to do a SB, I feel like we should have got at least some more shoelaces. That would have kind of put the collabs together, because the white on white action is just not hitting for me, man. We need like some red shoelace swap, or even the navy blue. You calling it the navy, I feel like it will be some navy in it. But $225 price tag retail. You know, resale went down super crazy. This sneaker was creeping up there to the 4s and 5s, just like the Pine Greens, until word got out that we were gonna get a sneakers release. So that's that. I feel like it should be worth $225 just looking at the quality. And it's a Jordan 4 mixed with an SB. I get it, man. Y'all let me know what y'all able to cop with the whole scratch and sniff situation, man. Resale right now is at $281 in a 10.5, guys. Crazy, crazy drop, man. I feel like these hitting the sneakers app is going to make the Pine Greens go even higher, close to the 900s, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.